Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Mid-1970 here. Now we're back again in the bathroom. This time we're not going to be dealing with any bad smells. I'm going to be fitting one of these. I'm going to be fitting one of these. I'm going to fit it here. You can watch me while I do it. Roll titles. And today we're going to look at this. Tea break. Now luckily in this spot I already have a shaver outlet to power the LED mirror. So first thing, let's open this up and check to see whether it's live or not. So, I've got the trusty old multimeter here. Put it on volts, AC, and that's reading 244 volts, so we're going to turn the power off. The next step is to turn the power off. So go to your distribution board, find out which one of these powers your shaving socket. Now I know from testing that it's this switch here, so we'll turn that off and then we'll go and see what the reading is with the multimeter. So I've just switched off the main power downstairs. We'll give this another try and make sure the power's off here. As you can see, it's just a residual voltage. That's now completely dead. We're safe to work on it. Okay. And there's the fittings and a fuse. Keep them. Instructions. Check it over, make sure that it's okay. This is the new shaver charging location, so this will be the bottom. And we can see here that these are two screw locations. So these are going to be the only fittings that we need. All I've got to do now is work out how high to go. I'm not worried about that, it's going to be covered up. The next thing to consider is the height for everybody that's in the house, except for the kids, small kids of course, but for your adults you want this to be able to cope with the tallest and with the shortest. So I've already worked this out with Mrs. Mids, and my fittings are going to be roughly in line here with the old fittings there. So it will be like that, and it will be there. 388 divided by 2 is 194. 194. The instructions give you no dimensions, so you have to measure the dimensions off the unit. So my fittings are 285 centre to centre. So 285 divided by 2 is 142.5. So set 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.5. And I'll do the same on this side. One, 4, 2.5. So that mark and that one. And when the screws are going to go. Now, trust the old spirit level. Because it's higher than I can see, I'm going to put it underneath. There's my 2 marks. So we've got our fittings. I'm going to drill 2 holes through here now, and I'm not even sure what's behind there, whether there's actually solid wall behind this. I guess I'll find out in a minute. Now the instructions say screw these in and leave about 7mm sticking out. I think it might want to be a bit more, less rather. There we go. Trial fit before we wire it up. That's not look too bad. Right. Now to wire it up. Right, so I've got these Wago clips. Some people love them, some people swear by them, some people hate them. One, two, three. But certainly for putting things like this on the wall, these make it very quick and easy to do. Right, take the protection off. Check it for level. I'm going to switch the power on downstairs and we'll give it a try. Okay, so we switch the power back on. Nothing trips. Well, as you can see, I've just come back upstairs from switching the power on and the lights are on. So there are three options on here. First one at the bottom is surround lighting. So you have off, white, blue and a blue-white. You have demist option. So if you've been in a shower, obviously you want to demist your mirror instead of wiping it, you press that one and it will warm the mirror up and demist it for you. Or you can switch it on before you have a shower and it will be clear when you get out. And the last one is Bluetooth. You can connect your phone to this and it's a Bluetooth speaker. Go on your phone, find your Bluetooth. There it is. And we are paired. And just to prove it, we will connect to one of my videos so I don't get copyrighted for it.
Hello again, it's 1970 here. Welcome back to the channel.
And you can adjust the sound and the volume from your phone.
From my engine was actually the power steering.
So there we have it. One brand new LED Bluetooth shaving mirror for me, a makeup mirror for Mrs. Mids, fitted in a few minutes really. So if you're thinking about getting one of these for yourself, why not? Enjoy it. So this one came off eBay, delivered in a couple of days, fitted in less than half an hour and makes a big difference. You can get them in any size you want. You can get them ridiculous sizes if you like. Obviously you've got to pay a bit more money for those. But that's it from me. I'm going to have a shower now and enjoy my new mirror, listening to the radio through the Bluetooth speakers in here. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you have, please remember, like I always say, to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again really soon for another one of my adventures. Bye bye for now.